Another winter migrant, the steppe eagle, checks out the waterhole. They usually hunt smaller birds, but they have been known to attack cranes. He decides against it today. There may be safety in numbers, but the cranes are always cautious. The desert is full of predators. They are thirsty, but who will make the first move? A brave crane takes the first steps. Once there is a leader, there will be followers. This water will be their lifeline for the next few months. It's been a long, hard and dangerous journey to India. A crane with a broken leg hobbles to the water's edge. High-tension cables, poachers' bullets and traps are only some hazards these birds encounter. This crane is lucky. Many don't make it. The demoiselle is locally called Kunj. In Hindu folklore, they have featured as symbols of grace and beauty for